Hi everyone, welcome back with a new process video for the Collaborative Collage project. I just want to quickly say thank you to everybody that has been tuning in and watching this project growing. It's such an exciting process for me working on these collages, and it just is even more great having you all be able to share this experience with me. Okay, here is another envelope with collage paper. Let's see what we have. You may remember the last video, the envelope was full of collage material and I needed to sort out and limit the number of collage paper to avoid overwhelming. For today's collage, I have only a few pieces of collage material, so the starting point is different. Okay, how to get started? I try to find paper pieces that fit together in some way. It could be the color or the shape. I look for similarities as well as differences. I really like this very thin paper. It looks different to all the other pieces. Maybe I can use it as a background. It is kind of transparent, so the white from the surface shines through. The little lines are not too busy, but those lines bring in some interest. I now try all the pieces around to find a way to combine them to find an interesting composition. Differences can make a collage more interesting, and repetition brings in rhythm, and rhythm suggests movement and action. A good design is just like your favorite song. It has rhythm. Look at the background piece, the book page, and the 3 stems. There is a difference between the repeated lines in the background, the lines of words, and the repeated rectangle shapes of the stems. All have a different rhythm. But what if your collage piece is getting too busy because of all these differences? Think about the opposite of busyness. What could you add to bring in more breathing space? In this collage here, the white space helps to quiet down and the ochre piece feels calm. The organized and structured arrangement of all the rectangle shapes helps to simplify the collage. I really like the blue shape on the left, but I think it would be better to change the shape a bit. The round shape is a kind of repetition of the shape of the circles. And this little dot brings in a bit of darker value to this area. So, and I changed the dark rectangle shape to make it a bit more interesting to look at. So now start the messy part. For those thin papers, I like to use a thin glue like matte medium. It's a very liquid medium. For the thicker paper, I use matte gel medium. To find the right glue for you, I always suggest to try different types of glue and paper to see what you like. This small collage is only one way to create a collage. If you are looking for more collage ideas, please download my free ebook 10 Ultimate Collage Ideas. The link is here on the screen and in the description below. What kind of collage do you like best? And what's your biggest challenge with creating collage? Please let me know in the comments below. Okay, that's it. Now it's your turn. Grab some collage paper and start creating. And don't forget to have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay creative. Bye bye.